Hey guys, Nushell Prophet is speaking. The new series, Newbie Tips. Today we get a new release, 0.97.1, and in this release we as usually got new settings. I will show you the simple tip how to keep up with those new settings. So we can execute commands nu default and see the output of default Nushell config as it is. And we can pipe default settings to VS Code diff minus, which means that I would like to use as the left file what I will pipe via stdin to code and our current settings path. So when I execute this command, I get these files opened in VS Code. If VS Code opened for you in this form for settings for newbie, it will be more convenient, I guess, to reduce the size of your font by pressing Command minus on Mac and something else on Windows and Linux. And here we get default settings and config file, our current config file. We can press Command Shift P and here we just execute swap left and right pane in editor. And then we can go through lines, change through the changed lines one by one. Go. So those are mine settings. I don't want to return to the defaults with them. Here's nothing new. Here's nothing new. Okay. Sort. This is the new option that I got. I just can hit this button, revert block, and now I got the new line from the default settings into my config. Here was fuzzy. And so on, one by one, you can check what is different for you and what is different in the default settings. I'm not going to spend our time together, but let's say I went through all the settings and I just hit Command S, but I'm not going out of the VS Code to check if my settings work. Execute new to call for new instance, and if it has been launched without problems, I can just close the file. Also, what works here, we can do the same trick with env, and we can go through the settings here too. Guys, thanks for watching.